Hello. So I have a fairly small tripod that I'm using right now to film this, but I wanted a bigger one so I could be further away and have it work better and use it outside so it doesn't blow over and everything like that. So I found this ESDDI one. It's just a tripod, so let's see what it's like here. I took it out of the box, but I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna see what it looks like. So first we'll unzip this and let's see what we got in here. Got some pieces of parts. Just take these out, we'll look at these in a second. Okay, so there, everything's there. It's a nice padded case, which is good. My other one has a case, but it's nothing like that. Wow, this is heavy duty. This is a very aluminum or metal or steel, or it's probably steel one. It's got the, I don't know what this velvet cover is covering. Oh, the top connection. But wow, so we can fold it down like this. And it clips down so we can set it into different positions. And wow, this is gonna be a big one. I'm gonna rotate it over here so we can kind of see, set it up in this area. So let's see how big this gets. Nice. Holy moly. So this is gonna be a nice problem. And it's good because you could actually use it as a single stick one. Oops, it didn't tighten that one. So open up these, take them down. Boy, this is it's like a professional good one. This is gonna be my new go-to tripod for probably everything, just because it folds up so nice and small too. And it's got the different settings to set it all different ways. Oh, it's like 3 sides. And so there, that's what it looks like. We can open it up, you can push these little buttons in, make it even sturdier by separating them out a little bit, which is nice. It's got this one here, adjustable as well. Not sure. It's got a little clip on the bottom, but I'm not sure. It looks like it can. But it's got this the mount here, which is always nice for the things. I usually leave these connected to everything, so it's good. It's got a little bubble level on it. It even tells you the degrees of the rotation. So this is a really nice tripod. Definitely looking forward to putting this one to use to do some videos and whatnot. There, now it's straight. But boy, this is a good tripod, so love it. It's the ESDDI one, and so you can even go way up high. This is nice. So here we go.